You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two very confusing words in English, their correct pronunciations. This is your perfect guide to learning more English. If you want to learn more, I have many more videos. Subscribe, and I'll link to many lessons for you at the end of this video. Those are pronounced exactly the same way. There are homophones pronounced through in British English and in American English. So let's go through indeed. The top word has a very confusing spelling. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. The G-H at the end is totally irrelevant. It's just a confusing part of English language. Through is how you pronounce it. So this is when you have something going through another thing. For example, a stone is going through a window, or you're going through the supermarket. Through. The bottom word is the past tense, the simple past of the verb to throw. It's also pronounced through. So two very different spellings, very different meanings, but the exact same pronunciations. Through. Through. Could you hear the pronunciation? Are you able to pronounce those correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.